it's a progress update video because I've been busy. Now tomorrow you will be getting a full how-to video on, you know, what I did the other day. It was installing wheel bearings on the X5, the BMW. But yep, oh, you notice this. This is a Charger, by the way. Can't tell much about it, but it's the silver parts card. We needed a lot of parts for the totaled out 3.5 high output Charger that we're building here on the channel, even the quarter panel. We got all the parts we needed. Yep. And in case you didn't know, a lot of them that we didn't need is on the eBay store in the description below. But we also picked up this Jeep from my buddy's house that's been on the channel several times. It's having an issue with the wiring harness. Don't know if I'm going to do anything with that Jeep or not. But let's check out all the projects and keep you updated on what's going on. The rollback, you know, we got a bunch of stuff on here. Avalanche, Firebird, Maverick. Nothing really too fancy happened. No. Hell yeah. White GMC. Oh, had a blowout. Touched something on the sidewall, it went pop. You know? So we gotta put tires on the rollback now. The Jeep here, Chevelle not did anything. El Camino we made progress on. The G6 we have also made progress on. I've been messing around a little with it. I think he's rim suited. Not 100%. The El Camino Chevelle and the Mustang in the background. You know, the Potts Camino, the Chop Mino. And then we got the Shop Mino here we're building for the shop. A little shop truck. Let's keep on going. Hold on, I gotta get me some blackberries. Yeah, you want some blackberries, doggy? Ow! Thorn got me. As you can see, we needed the quarter panel. We used a lot of Charger parts. I actually used the whole strut assembly, control arm, and everything on this Charger because this was destroyed. The strut was bent, the lower control arm was busted, the bolt was bent into a U, and now it's got everything. It's even got a brand new upper control arm and ball joint because it was bad on both cars, the donor car and this one. I kept the bumper, figure we might do some modification to it, you know, for the back. The Buick 3800 runs, has rust issues. Gonna pop this thing out. Has been good. This old car was featured on the channel quite a many times, and a lot of the people enjoyed the 3800 Buick videos. And I'm gonna tell you, this car, it drove like a dream. It's an old man's car, but you just couldn't beat it. It was comfortable, had a lot of future comforts, I would say. You know, that was a little bit of a pain if they ever messed up, but power windows, heated seats, you know, a lot of cool features. Had the 3800 automatic. It went down the highway like a boat, and it got pretty good gas mileage. I mean, it might have been an old man's car, but it was a good car. Highly recommend these. If you ain't owned the Buick 3800 LeSabre, this one's an 01 model, you should try your one out. They pretty cheap anymore. Parts might be a little hard to find, but they worth it. The Firebird, we put rims on it now. We don't have mixed match. They actually all hold air too. It's not a bad looking car. It's gonna be fun to build on the channel. Can you see down there? Way down yonder. Well, I ain't walking all the way to the shop, but it's just a forward vehicles. If I can zoom the camera out. Woo! That's cool. I just need to put it on normal. Okay. Technology, guys, it's pretty fancy. Mercedes is doing good. It needs ball joints, but it's holding up. So the Camaro conversion is dusty, but she cleans up nice. it's pretty much done now. It needs a motor, transmission, and the nose piece put on it. Got the headers in the back of the trunk, got the nose piece in the middle. It's pretty much ready to go and get the motor put in, because I'm not putting it in. Chris and them is putting it in. And if you don't know who Chris is, you can go back watch some of the Camaro videos and watch him weld on one of the quarter panel sections. He's pretty good welder now, tell you that. For his first time welding, he did good. You can tell, you can't even tell he'd been put on. Just had to do a little bit of body work and that was it. You know, Bondo body filler, it can work miracles. Old truck here, we need to do some work for it, but I'm trying to bring you quality content. I get back on trying to do my daily content. I just been super busy. I think I'm caught up on everything for the first time in a long time. So tomorrow the full video will be hitting. Monday should be 8 p.m. So if you ain't hit that notification bell, hit it. And thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. As always, if you need any parts and you want to give a little extra support, check the eBay store out. They more than just car parts on there. I do sell a bit of everything, and I do got little low items on there in case a viewer did want to show a little extra support. Thanks again.